In this video, I'm going to show you how to exit a trade on TradingView. Now, there's actually a few ways to do this. Whenever you're connected to your broker or, of course, to paper trading, you can exit a trade either on your chart or down here at the bottom where you can see your positions, okay? So if you're doing this on the chart, you have two options. Here you can see I have like two different orders over here. I can exit them or cancel them by either clicking on the X button over here, which says cancel order, or I could also right-click on the order and click on cancel order, okay? Then you basically have to confirm it, click on cancel order, and that's how you exit a trade. So that's the first way to do it. The second one is going to be you want to go down here and put this bottom slider up like that, and then in here you can basically see your current positions, orders, stuff like that. And if you go to orders right now, you can then just go and cancel them by again either right-clicking and clicking on cancel order. You could also modify it if you want to, or again you can just click on this cancel button at the far right, click on cancel order, and that's what you can do to exit a trade, okay? So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.